Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a super simple and fast hairstyle for an evening out. Also, if you're interested in creating this makeup look, I recently posted a video on how to create a smoky eyeliner, so do check it out. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair into 3 sections. So an ear to ear section, so from the center to the ear. Section that off. And then with the rest of my hair, I'm just going to create a really loose ponytail. So I've done my ponytail quite low, but you can also create this look with the updo a little bit higher. I prefer something a little bit lower. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one braid. So you should have something like this. Just going to tie it at the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit. Just pulling at the braid from both sides. Okay. Something like this. I'm going to give it a quick spray just to get rid of any flyaways. Okay, so you're going to take this section. You're going to take about an inch. Okay, so about this much. You're then going to split that down the middle. Okay, and you're going to twist it once. So one twist, okay? You're now going to grab hair from underneath, okay? You're just going to scoop up a small amount, going in a straight line, and you're going to twist again. You're going to go over and twist. Scoop again, over, and twist. Scoop again, over and twist. Now, if you can see, what I'm doing is I'm actually twisting in the direction that I'm going. So I'm not twisting down, I'm twisting around because that's how I want the twist to go. Twisting all the way to the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it around to the back and place it where I want it to go. But I'm going to just loosen it up a little bit because I don't usually like it this tight. Okay, so I'm just pulling at these loops. And then with the leftover twisted bit, I'm just going to keep wrapping it around my ponytail, okay? So I'm just wrapping it. And then with the end bit, you're going to take a grip and just secure it. And you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you should have something like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull out a few little wispy bits to frame my face. So to create this updo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the braid now, I'm going to leave a loop, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of the braid around it, and this is going to create a really cute little braided updo. So that's how it looks from behind. I have no idea what it looks like from behind, but I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it really easy. It's such a cute little updo to do for yourself. It's so easy to achieve by yourself and it will literally take you a few minutes. Don't forget with the last grip to cross pin it. So by that, so what I mean by cross pinning is to make sure that if you're putting a grip that way, you want to cross it over with that way, and that's what's going to lock the style into place. Hope you enjoyed that quick little updo. If you did enjoy it, please do leave me a comment below. I'd love to know what other styles you'd like me to create. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, guys. Bye.